In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram Reels to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to enhance your website by integrating dynamic, engaging content directly from your Instagram feed. So, whether you're a business looking to showcase products or someone aiming to boost your personal brand, adding Reels could be the perfect solution. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, go to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. You can easily access it by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll see the various tools and options available for customizing your site. Now let's shift our focus to Instagram. Open the Instagram app or website and navigate to the specific reel you want to include on your site. Ensure it's something representative of your brand or message. Once you've found the perfect reel, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the reel. This brings up several options. From the menu that appears after clicking the dots, select the Embed option. This option allows you to share the reel by embedding it, which means it will directly appear on your Wix site rather than just linking back to Instagram. Once you click Embed, another menu will appear. Here you'll see an option to Copy Embed Code. Click on that to copy the code to your clipboard. This code is crucial as it contains all the information needed to display the reel on your website. With the embed code copied, it's time to head back to the Wix editor, where we'll make it all come together. Once you're back in the editor, look for the option that says Embed Code. It's often found under the Add or Menu sections, depending on the layout of your editor. Click on Embed Code. This is the area where you'll place the embed code you got from Instagram. Following this, you will see another option that says Embed HTML. Click on it. This is where you'll finally paste the Instagram embed code we copied earlier. After pasting the code, make sure everything looks right. You'll see a preview of the reel right there in the editor. This preview is a good way to confirm that the embed process has occurred correctly, showing exactly what site visitors will see. Finally, you'll want to click on Update to apply all these changes and make the reel live on your website. Once this step is completed, preview your site to ensure everything displays correctly. You now have dynamic Instagram content directly on your Wix site, seamlessly integrated for maximum engagement. And there you have it. Adding Instagram Reels to your Wix website can greatly enhance its interactivity and visual appeal. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.